In addition to sequence diagrams, it is common for high-level designs to also have some sort of interface description. Many interfaces look like messages one way or another. Here's an example of the OBD2 parameter ID message dictionary, which makes automotive operational parameters available via diagnostic port. This is a typical sort of message dictionary in that each message, which might be an actual network message or it might be a data structure in memory that you can access, has a descriptor with a categorical value saying what kind of message is it. Is this the engine speed? Is it the engine coolant temperature? Is it the accelerator pedal position? And so on. Once you know what the enum, what the categorical value is, you can then interpret the associated data in a data structure or fields in a network packet based on what that identifier is. As an example, if the enum says it's an engine speed, then there might be an integer afterwards that is in tens of RPMs or what have you. Integration testing should exercise the message structure. It should test all types of messages, a range of values inside fields, valid and invalid field values, and invalid message types. It should also test the timing and exception handling. What if there's a bad checksum indicating a message should be dropped? What if there's a bad sequence number on a sequence of messages, and so on? The HLD will have this message dictionary, which should define all the message types, formats, and so on, and give you a good basis for writing the integration tests based on the HLD. It's common to see components accompanied by a validation test suite so you can know that all the different types of messages are supported properly.